Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using HotelsCombined. In this video, we're diving into HotelsCombined, an online hotel booking platform designed to help you snag the best deals on accommodations. It works by comparing prices across a wide range of booking sites, so you don't have to do the legwork. Be sure to check the description for links to the platform and additional resources I've compiled. HotelsCombined is a perfect tool for travelers looking to maximize their budget without compromising on quality. It pulls together results from leading booking giants like Booking.com, Expedia, and Hotels.com, presenting you with a comprehensive overview of available options. This eliminates the need to jump between multiple websites, saving you valuable time and effort in your search for the perfect hotel. A standout feature of HotelsCombined is its clean and user-friendly search interface. You can fine-tune your search based on your travel dates, desired location, and specific preferences. Whether you're looking for specific amenities, a particular star rating, or want to see what other travelers have to say, the filtering options empower you to find accommodations perfectly suited to your needs. You can even sort results by price, guest rating, or proximity to attractions, enabling you to make well-informed booking decisions. Staying on top of price fluctuations can be a game changer, and HotelsCombined has you covered with its price alert feature. Get notified whenever the price of a hotel you're interested in drops, ensuring you don't miss out on potential savings. This is especially beneficial for those planning trips in advance and wanting to track price changes over time. To give you a clear picture of a hotel's reputation, HotelsCombined displays an aggregate score compiled from various review platforms. This offers a quick and convenient way to gauge the overall guest experience. With mobile apps available for both iOS and Android, you can book on the go, adding to the platform's overall convenience. Secure payment options and a dedicated customer support team are also in place to address any questions or concerns you may have. To sum up, HotelsCombined is a powerful tool for travelers seeking a streamlined and efficient way to compare hotel prices across multiple platforms. Its intuitive interface, helpful price alerts, and robust customer support make it a valuable resource for booking accommodations. For more information and to start planning your next adventure, check out the links in the description below. Book your next trip with HotelsCombined today.